Currently, the sketch for this extrusion has been created on the top plane. I'd like to move it to the front plane. In Onshape, moving a sketch from one plane to another is very simple. All you need to do is double click on the sketch up here. That will open up the Edit Sketch window. You can see there my entire sketch, including all dimensions, are now back open and ready to be edited. In the little sketch options menu up here, you can now click the X and delete top plane, and that will remove that sketch from the top plane. You can then go ahead and select any other plane, such as front or right, to have that sketch translated exactly as you created it on the new plane. And then when you click the tick, your model will be rebuilt with that sketch on its new plane. So moving a sketch from one plane to another is as simple as that. If you've got a question on how to do something in Onshape or SolidWorks, please put a comment there and I'll do my best to answer it for you. See you next time.